In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide Spotlight results from showing clipboard information. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the system menu and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select where it says Spotlight. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down where it says results from clipboard. Click inside that oval to toggle it off to the left, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.